Okay, my friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress to your domain, which is HostGator, hosting services. A lot of people make this very, very complicated, but basically it's very simple, and I'm going to show you just how simple this is. So, with that being said, your name server should be transferred from GoDaddy, where you bought your domain name, to HostGator. So that your domain name should be at HostGator now. If you have not done that and your name servers have not been transferred, you need to go back to the previous tutorial and make sure that's done, because this will not work without that transformation of your name servers. So with that being said, let's go up here, and what you want to do is type in www.yourname, which actually is, for example, mine's going to be dave-d-williamson, yourname.com, dave-d-williamson.com /cpanel. What this is going to do is pull up a username and password field so you can get into HostGator cPanel, where you can install your WordPress to your domain. So click OK right here, and voila, we are in the cPanel of HostGator. Now, if you had bought a secondary domain name and you want to install WordPress to it, okay, other than your primary, all you have to do is come down here where it says, and let me find it for you here, add-on domains. Where are we at here? Add-on domains, right here. It's under domains, add-on domains. Click here, and you're going to enter the domain name. You're going to enter the FTP name, all the information down through here, and then you're going to add domain. It's that simple. So if you're at GoDaddy, you bought a secondary domain name and you want to install WordPress to it, providing that your name servers have been transferred to HostGator, as in the last video tutorial, all you have to do is enter the information here, add domain. With that being said, just wanted to make sure you know how to do that if you bought the secondary domain name. Now we're going to go back to the panel, and we're going to continue here installing WordPress to your hosting account. So, okay, now we want to go right down here to database, or to advanced. No, we don't want advanced. We want software services. Click on your Fantastico Deluxe icon. And to install WordPress to your hosting account, all you have to do is come right down here on the left, click on WordPress. And then we're going to click on New Installation. And you're going to choose your domain name you want to install, so WordPress to. In this case, if you have just one, most of you are going to use your primary account, which is going to be your domainname.com. So mine's dave-d-williamson.com. This is a certain directory here. It would be / blah, blah, blah. So you really don't have to mess with this, because it's a second directory that if you want to install it to. You're really going to just install it to your root directory, which is dave-d-williamson.com. You're going to come down here, and what this is here, admin access data, is you do not want to keep going through HostGator to log into your blog, okay? So once you get this set up, it's just going to bring up your user and your password. So whatever username you want, put it in here. Whatever password you want, put it in here. So when you go to log in to your HostGator cPanel, you'll have your username password that you requested. Down here, if you want to, excuse me, if you want an admin nickname, Dave, John, whatever, you can put that in here. I just use the name admin, and then I set my password. So you can use the name admin, and it'll come up automatically, and then you just put your password in. Down here, you want your primary email address. I am using my primary Gmail. So this actually is going to be forwarded to my Gmail address. So you really probably want to use your Gmail address, your primary Gmail address, or your primary email address. And down here, site name, dave-d-williamson.com, or whatever you're happy with. Description, couple examples here. You could put implementing technology systems around business systems. I don't use anything here, but in my case, I could use 100% free social media video tutorials, whatever you're happy with. And then all you have to do is click Install WordPress. And of course, I'm not going to do that because I've already have WordPress installed. I'm already established with the blog. After you click Install WordPress button here, it's going to take you to a page where it's going to confirm everything. Okay? And give me just a minute, and we're going to continue on. Okay, needed a minute to straighten out a little glitch here in the system. But anyway, we're going to go back to the cPanel. Okay, and what, okay, now what you should be able to do after completing this step is to be able to type in your domain name. So I'm going to put HTTP, semicolon, / dave-d-williamson.com. Now, as you can see, this is my blog. Now, you're going to be pretty much have a blank page here because you just installed WordPress to your hosting account, but you have not installed a theme yet. So this is pretty much going to have no information in it. It's going to be pretty much blank. You may have a few things in here. And what we're going to do here in the next tutorial is we are going to teach you how to install a theme. And then from here, it gets nothing but better, my friends, because now you can enter your own content on the internet, control how your blog looks, etc., etc. Now, one last thing I want to cover. If you want to log into your account, again, into HostGator, what you're going to do is you're going to go HTTP, semicolon, / dave-d-williamson, which would be actually your domain name, .com, / and it's going to be WP, which is WordPress -admin. Okay? You're going to hit that. And voila, I'm into my blog right now. Now, I could show you actually what it's going to look like before I'm logged in. I'll log out. I was already logged in. Okay? So I'm going to go back home to Google. I'm going to do this again. HTTP, semicolon, / dave-d-williamson. Now keep in mind, this is how you're going to log into your blog. So, / WP-admin for administration. Okay, WordPress-admin for administration. You're going to hit that, and voila, there you go. Now, back when I was telling you how to set up a username and password, like I said, I use admin. See, it comes up automatically. And you can set your password, of course. Okay, my friends, it is really, really simple. A lot more simple than you thought. As I said, a lot of people blow this thing up, try to make it too complicated. Watch out for the next tutorial tomorrow that's coming to you by email. It's going to show you how to install a theme. You are well on your way, my friends, to branding yourself. If you want to skip waiting another day, I mean, if you really want to get your business to the next level, just click below this video to go to the next step. Hey, Dave D. Williamson. Love you all. Toodaloo.